Hey everybody, it's Max with NVIDIA, and today I'm here to walk you through some of the really cool skills we're releasing to help your coding agents build interactive real-time applications on top of Omniverse libraries. I'm going to show you how we can take a pretty basic prompt, and after just a few minutes of your agent chewing on some of these skills, you can get a really interactive, high-performant application that can be used on the web or used on a desktop, can be containerized and sent up to the cloud. Really, there's a ton of features inside these skills, and we're really excited for folks to start building with them. So to get started, I'm just going to clone down our NVIDIA skills repo and point my codex session over to the Omniverse real-time viewer skills. I like to go into plan mode for this, and so I'm going to fire up plan mode and say, build me a interactive USD viewer with RTX rendering, give me a browser-based UI, put in some camera controls, the ability to select prims, show me a stage tree, a properties panel, and also give me some basic render settings. So now with these skills, your agent's going to go get the correct instructions and some routing to go pick up on some of those keywords that I put in there. So I queued it to make me a browser application, so it's going to go grab ovstream and start to build a server and a client architecture that will stream OvrtX over WebRTC. It's going to go find some of those UI skills that we have and start to scaffold out how it's going to build the front-end UI with React. It's then going to go look at skills for doing things like selection and navigating stage tree and render settings and start to develop the Python server that's going to interact with OvrtX. There's many different paths inside these skills that your coding agent could take, so I gave it the browser-based path where it's going to use ovstream and React to build me sort of a server-client web-based application. We also have skills for interacting with OVUI, and so if you wanted to wrap OvrtX in a Python application and have tons of widgets and panels and interactive properties, our OVUI library is great for building an application like that. We also have skills that would let you take that React UI and wrap it in something like Tari or Electron, so if you wanted to have kind of a local application that uses OvrtX, you could of course do that too. There's skills for implementing OvrtX into a C++ application and using your own GUI system if you wanted to go down that path. And so I'm going to hop back to my agent, check in how it's doing. I didn't give it a USD stage, and so we have some skills in here that can go find some sample data that we've put out there on the web. So it's going to pull that down and use that as its sample stage. It's going in and validating that things like the camera controls and the exposure controls that it added are working. It's validating picking and selection feedback. And then as soon as the viewer is done, it'll present me a URL, and I can click on this and start to take it for a spin. Of course, there's skills in here as well. If we wanted to orchestrate this and send this up to the cloud, there's skills for how to containerize an application like this. We even have skills in a Brev launchable, so even if you don't have a GPU on your machine, you can head up to Brev and fire up one of our launchables here and then ask your agent to deploy this on Brev, and then after a few minutes you can just start interacting with it through your web browser. And so the result is a fully interactive Omniverse application built on top of our libraries, and your agent is now ready for your next prompt. And so we're excited to sort of see where folks take these skills, what use cases you're interested in plugging them into, and what type of features you're going to continue to build on top of this. Thanks for watching.